Hi everyone, I had a question about using Waypoint, and I just want to go through the directions with you that are found in week one, and there's the tutorial there for the Waypoint. But I'm just going to go through it with you, just to try to clear things up for you. So here it says submitting assignments through Waypoint. The first thing you need to do is locate the appropriate assignment item on your course homepage. So we're in week one, so it'll say week one assignment, and that's where you're going to click. And then the next one says click the load assignment in a new window button at the bottom of the assignment page. And then you'll see this big arrow and it says click the button below to access Waypoint. So you'll need to click inside this box. Now when you do, it's going to open up a new tab or a new window. So it's going to open up right here. So you'll have to switch tabs so you can go over to it. It says, understand here that it says week one because we're in week one, but later on as we progress through the course, if you're in week three, obviously this would no longer say one, it would now say three. The Waypoint student dashboard is going to open up in this new window over here for you. On the screen, complete the following steps. So you're going to, for the assignment, ensure that your assignment drop-down reflects the accurate week for the assignment that you're submitting. Now here in the example, they're using week two. So this is the drop-down arrow that they're speaking about right here under assignment. You're going to find assignment week one. And then it says select, choose file, and browse your computer for your assignment. So let's say that you saved it to your desktop. You would go to choose file, and then you would look on your desktop, find the file that you're looking for, and click it. Okay, and then next it says submission type, submit for grading. When you are ready for your final submission, select submit for grading. So you'll notice that this one here says submit for grading. From the drop down choice right here, you choose submit for grading, and add a comment if you want to add a comment for me to see, and then you'll click upload. See the little upload right here. Okay, if it's something that you want to check first before you send it to me, you can just check the originality check only. But again, that does not submit the work. All this does is check it for you to make sure that it's original content. All right, so what I recommend is that you go right to submit for grading, click that drop down, and then you're going to hit upload. Verify that your file has been successfully uploaded by viewing the appropriate week's assignment tab. You should see a link to your file, so it'll look like this. See this little blue link right here? That means that week two document was uploaded. You're going to look for week one and make sure that that has been uploaded. Okay? And that's all there is to it. I wish you the best of luck.